thought the girls did a really good job of building up what we did last week, and all week we've been focusing on staying in our system, getting bumped out of our system, don't get bumped out of the bubble. And if we do that, then we're going to be pretty successful. And I think that's what they found out tonight, is that, you know, the 197 score comes along when you do all the other stuff well. So I thought they did a really good job of trying to restart each event, trying to block the last one out. If it was good or bad, they got to move on. So pretty good team effort all night.
I think our main goal today was just to go out there and have fun and do what we know how to do, and we've worked hard all week, and I think it's definitely showed today, and I think it was just fun.
I think we got our spark back.
Yes, definitely.
I was really focused on, just like the team, I just wanted to get out there and do what I know I can do. And tonight I think I did that. I was not going to do what I did last time. I refused. In every routine I'm like, I'm not going to make the same mistakes as I did last time. And it feels so good to put it all together. And I'm really working on being consistent. I know last week wasn't my best. Working on that in the gym and then getting back out there and doing what I know how to do.
It felt so good. My teammates have been pushing me so hard, and my coaches have been pushing me so hard just to get consistent and to do the vaults that I know how to do. So knowing that my teammates were there behind me and literally screaming in my ear as I was running down the vault runway felt so good.
So whenever I stick my landings and just I don't even know what my body does, I lose control just because the crowd and everyone is so supportive. It's honestly so much fun.
Well, I mean, look at our performance tonight. That was because of this crowd. I mean, those girls feed off of this. This is probably I think it's the best environment in college gymnastics. I am just ecstatic. We've never had 3 sellouts in a year. We've never sold out against Arkansas. And for our fans to show up and support us on this, I think that's what these girls, they believe that they're giving back to the fans by doing a great performance. And it sort of builds off of each other. We do a great performance, they get louder, we want to do another great performance. All of this stuff is because our fans are so supportive.